How many perfect cubes lie between 2 to the 8th plus 1 and 2 to the 18th plus 1? Inclusive? A. 4. B. 9. C. 10. D. 57. E. 58. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, let's find the two bounds. 2 to the 8th is 256. So 2 to the 8th plus 1 is 257. 2 to the 18th is 262,144. So 2 to the 18th plus 1 is 262,145. We want perfect cubes. N cubed. That are at least 257. 6 cubed is 216. Which is too small. But 7 cubed is 343. Which is big enough. So the smallest n we can use is 7. Now the upper end. Notice that 2 to the 18th equals 2 to the 6th cubed, which is 64 cubed. That is 262,144. Just under our top bound. 65 cubed is far too big. So the largest n we can use is 64. So n runs from 7 all the way up to 64. The count is 64 minus 7 plus 1, which equals 58. The answer is 58. So there are 58 perfect cubes between 2 to the 8th plus 1 and 2 to the 18th plus 1. Inclusive. The answer is 58.